Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Ever wish you had a voice that really stood out? You know, like Spider-Man's cool, laid-back, and just a bit mysterious vibe? Spider-Man's voice is iconic. It's friendly yet heroic, young yet confident. It's a voice that can jump into action 1 second and crack a joke the next. No wonder it's a fan favorite. But what if you could sound like Spider-Man, live in real time? Maybe impress your friends, prank a few online teammates, or just add a little extra flair to your video calls? Well, here's where EaseUS VoiceWave swoops in. This software lets you change your voice in real time, adding that Spider-Man edge to your online chats, games, and live streams. And it's super easy to set up, just like catching a web. Here's how you do it. First, let's set up your mic and speakers. Head to the settings in EaseUS VoiceWave. Choose your microphone, the one you're using to speak, like a headset or a built-in mic. Then set your speakers or headphones as the output device. This way, you'll hear yourself in real time and know how epic you sound. Next, here's the fun part. Pick the Spider-Man effect. With one click, you'll be ready to sound like everyone's friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Keep struggling. It just makes my job easier. Look, I could keep this up all day. But let's be real, you can't.
Alright, you're all set. Now, where can you use this legendary voice? Add some heroic flair to your gaming. Imagine playing as Spidey and throwing out web-slinging puns as you take down enemies in your favorite game.
Want a rematch? Cool. I'll bring more web fluid.
It's like an instant mood boost. Make your voice unforgettable in group chats. Show up as Spider-Man and watch the reactions.
You keep hitting like that, I might almost feel it.
Who wouldn't want a superhero on their next video call? Ever think about live streaming? With the Spider-Man voice, you'll instantly stand out from other streamers. Perfect for creating unique, memorable moments for your viewers. So there you have it. With EaseUS VoiceWave, transforming your voice into Spider-Man's is just a few clicks away. Imagine all the fun you can have and the memories you'll make with this tool. So why not give it a try? Download EaseUS VoiceWave and take your voice from ordinary to amazing in seconds. It's a small step for you, a big swing into the Spider-Verse.